Hi there guys, my name is Korak Roy. Now are you too under the misconception that we men have few accessories to flaunt? Well, think again. I've got this great looking blue wallet here from Urban Forest that is not just stylish but extremely practical as well. Let me show you 3 of the best ways to style this one up. This hand-stitched leather wallet has several compartments for you to arrange your possessions properly. There are compartments for notes, cards and coins, and even 2 hidden compartments. It's a compactly designed wallet, slim and light enough to fit in your pocket, yet spacious enough to carry all that you need.
Break it.
I firmly swear by this wallet. It's so smooth and spacious, I'm sure you'll love it too. Try it yourself.